Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, classmates. Today, I am gonna make a volcanic eruption experiment. We will use goggles, plastic cup, steering rod, spoon, citric acid, sodium bicarbonate powder, and volcano. Also, tray. You need make sure to put on your safety goggles. Put tray to catch the lava overflow. Step 1. Put same amount of sodium bicarbonate powder and citric acid. Step 2. Stir to mix. Step 3. Add some water. Get ready to watch. Bubbles start to overflow out of the lava crater, just like a volcanic eruption. Thank you.